Alright, what's up guys? Today we're sealing up my rear quarters. Kyle came over and was nice enough to help me rivet these in together. This is kind of what it looks like afterwards, and then I'll show you as we do the other side, because we wanted to make sure this will actually work. There's a little bit of trial and error on this side. So we kind of just grounded down the dirt and paint on this side so we can seal it with some sealant afterwards, but we just drilled holes on all the corners and we're just going to pop rivet it in because it's a lot cheaper and easier alternative than welding this whole damn thing together. What do we got, Kyle?
Got some Canadian maple flavored seam sealer. Got the fanciest cock ends.
This might be illegal in California here in a couple of years.
Oh, I think everything.
If it looks like a gun, you know. So we're just gonna fill the holes and pray it doesn't leak.
I mean, we're literally filling seams, right?
I mean, we're filling like craters, but yeah. You know, and it matches the car, so.
Oh yeah, I never.
We don't even need to paint it.
Yeah, why would we?
This is some
fix this Bondo.
Good sealer right here.
Key is fixing the Bondo. We'll glue this piece of Bondo back in. Seam seal this edge so it doesn't get water in it.
That's a big hole.
Let's see. Then we got our repair piece. Go ahead and put that right in there, just like that.
Cross your fingers, and it never comes out again.
We'll cock that shut so you don't see it.
The magic touch.
Ooh.
It's like the guys that's smoothing out concrete.
That's right. That's basically what we're doing.
Yeah, risking his finger
Yes.
for this.
These sharp edges.
Sharp edges under that.
That's right. I think the worst cut I've gotten by stupidity. Broke my glove. I want to get pregnant. You're shocked. No faith.
Dude, that actually looks really good. Look at that. It even matches the color of the car.
We get all your...
No leaks now. No more leaks now.
I put a little bit over that sharp edge.
Quick update. So we put on the Heliarc front Bashbar. This is a stock one, which weighs like nothing. And then this one, I don't even know, maybe 20 pounds. But pretty easy install. Just 4 12 millimeters on both sides. Lines up pretty good. The only thing we had to do was remove the coolant, no not coolant, the washer fluid reservoir. Because that sat right under this passenger side headlight, and it would, these are all the cords going to it, and this part was hitting it a little bit, so unfortunately I had to take that out, but hardly rains in California. We don't really need it, but yeah, looking a lot more aggressive. And the wheels do not hit, fortunately. And this is the closest it'll get. So we're all right. All right, all right. Freshly painted front Bashbar. Look at that flake.
Sure, for I smudging it with my hand.
Not too bad. Ooh. Ooh. I think you got a little bit right here, but
Did I scratch it?
just a little bit, It's alright.
Touch it up.
It is a Bashbar. That looks so good. This color is pretty much what I was going for. Like a nice dark metallic gunmetal. And it actually comes with this little threaded insert that we can bolt in a toe strap to. I guess we'll have to cut a hole in my bumper to mount a toe strap through it to have it stick out. Alright, so one of the reasons I got this Bashbar was so that I could just jack it up anywhere at the track. So let's test it out. Am I coming off the jack stands?
Yeah.
Or am I just bending the...
No, you're coming up. You're up.
Woo! Yeah, we have liftoff. Cool. So, functions as a jack point.